Introducing the Avalon A3 Water Dispenser, a sophisticated addition to the realm of hydration solutions. Boasting 3 temperature settings, a built-in nightlight, and a self-cleaning ozone function, this dispenser combines innovation with practicality. Designed for ease of use, it features bottom loading to eliminate heavy lifting, while its stainless steel construction adds durability and a touch of elegance. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this dispenser, exploring its features, specifications, and why it stands out in the world of water dispensers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Temperature customization. This water dispenser offers a versatile drinking experience with 3 temperature settings: cold, cool, and hot. The cooling power of 100 watts ensures a refreshing cold sip or a steaming cup of hot water, catering to diverse preferences. Number 2. Nighttime visibility and bottle indicator. The built-in nightlight is a thoughtful addition, enhancing the visibility of the water spouts during the night. The empty bottle indicator is a practical feature, illuminating when it's time to replace the water bottle, ensuring uninterrupted hydration. Number 3. Bottom loading convenience. This water cooler adopts a bottom loading design, alleviating the strain of lifting heavy water bottles. Compatible with 3 to 5 gallon bottles, it minimizes spills and simplifies the reloading process, promoting user-friendly operation. Number 4. Self-cleaning ozone function. The inclusion of a self-cleaning ozone function sets this dispenser apart. This feature ensures prolonged water purification, maintaining a clean and hygienic water dispensing experience over time. Number 5. Sturdy construction and design. Crafted from stainless steel, this dispenser boasts a durable and sleek full-size design. The freestanding installation type adds flexibility to its placement, while the compact dimensions make it suitable for various spaces. Number 6. Convenient and portable. The freestanding form factor and portable nature make this water dispenser adaptable to different environments. It's a standalone unit with a waterline connector, providing flexibility in installation without compromising on performance. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.2 inches, depth by 12.2 inches, width by 41 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. 3 temperature settings for customized hydration. Built-in nightlight enhances visibility during nighttime use. Self-cleaning ozone function ensures prolonged water purification. Bottom loading design reduces lifting strain and minimizes spills. 1 reason not to buy. Automatic defrost may lead to occasional water pooling. Conclusion. The Avalon A3 Water Dispenser is a commendable appliance offering temperature customization, smart features like a nightlight and bottle indicator, convenience in loading, self-cleaning functionality, and robust construction, making it a reliable choice for homes or offices. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.